Welcome to DIY Power Fix, the place where we make electrical DIY simple, safe, and beginner-friendly. Whether you're fixing, building, or just learning, you'll find everything you need right here. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a new project.
Welcome back to DIY Power Fix, the home of simple, safe, and smart electrical solutions. Today, I'll be showing you how to properly connect an electrical socket step by step like a professional. Whether you are replacing an old socket or installing a new one, this guide will help you do it safely and confidently. Sometimes we don't need professional to replace all these small things for us in our home. So before we begin, make sure you have the right tools and materials for the particular things you want to change. For instance, for this, all you need is socket, and right tools. All we need is tester and good insulated plier. In case you are doubting on how to get your right tools or what to get, what you need, just try to check on our YouTube channel here. We've discussed on tools, right tools to get. Whether you're a professional or you are a DIY person that want to learn how to do it yourself so that you won't be calling professional every time. Now just have to check our YouTube channel, then you see a video we've packaged together that discuss about proper tools and how to use them. And now, since we have our materials and our tools ready, let's move into the action. And before we move into the action, remember, safety first. Safety first. Electrical work is not something you can just toy with. You have to put proper safety measure in place before you start. So remember, safety first. So in this, if you are not a professional, you want to do it yourself, so I will advise you to always turn off the main power supply from your circuit breaker. Look at this. This is what serves as main power supply of this house. Look at it very well. This is changeover switch. So if I put it in the middle, all the lights of the house will off. And if I put it down, as you can see, all the lights will come up. So if you are not a professional, it is advisable. This is where you want to change the sockets. As you can see it, the middle socket, we want to change it. Now, in this particular socket, you notice we have two red wire, we have one black, and we have one green. Now, it depends on the situation of the socket you want to change. Now, in this particular socket, you notice we have other sockets in the left, and we have another one in the right, which means wire loop from the right into the socket, and wire also loop from the left into the socket. Because if there is disconnection in this particular socket you want to change, one of the socket, especially the silver one here, will not work. So let me say it again. There are three wires you should always expect whenever you open sockets. Now the three wires: red, black, and green. Red is used for live, black is used for neutral, while green is used for arts. So if the wire is well properly connected, if you touch the black wire, it will not shock you. If you touch the green wire, it will not shock you. But don't try and touch the red wire. It is even advisable, don't touch any of the wire at all. Don't touch any naked of the wire at all. Now in this particular socket we want to install now, look at it. We have four wires, two red, one black, one green. Now this particular green does not serve the purpose of arts. It does not serve the purpose of arts. It serves the purpose of neutral. As you can see, the green wire, it passed through the socket we want to change into the silver one. The double socket is beside it. Look at it. The double socket beside you can see the green wire under it. So they just use the wire to tap it to do connection from the double socket into the wire we want to change. So all we have to do is you join the green wire and the black wire, you join it together, and the red to red, you join it together. Now after you join them together, you take your socket. As you can see it, that's the neutral point. So you can see the right N where you are going to put the neutral N, and look at it, the right L, which is live, and there will be sign. There will be circle sign where it's going to be at. So in this particular socket we want to connect now, there is nothing like at. I told you the green wire there is meant to serve the purpose of neutral, so that it can serve the other socket. So now let's connect it. I am losing it. Without any hand glove, you can see where we hold the insulator cable. If you can target the insulator cable, you hold it properly, there won't be any shock. You can see where we hold it, and after that we connect the neutral. Make sure it's tightened very well. Make sure it is tightened very well to avoid partial contact. Make sure it's tightened very well to avoid partial contact. After you tighten it very well, do what? You connect the neutral. You put it where the right end. The neutral, you can see the neutral. You put it where the right end. You put it where the right end. You do what? You tighten it very well. After we tighten it very well, look at it. We are tightening it. After we tighten it very well, you do what? You try to fix it back. Make sure you tighten it very well. You press it gently on the socket, on the plastic. Press it gently on the plastic. You now we put screw on it, then we screw it, and after that it's finished. Now thank you for watching till the end. If you find this video helpful, please kindly subscribe, like, comment, put your question in comment section. I will kindly answer you. Please make sure you subscribe so that you can see our other videos, our helpful video about electrical tips.